What's good, Shanice Nation? It's your girl Shanice, and today I'm back with another video. So guys, today is Valentine's and today is Ash Wednesday. So happy holiday and happy Valentine's. Yes, so I'm on my way to Portland, guys. I don't know why I just start the vlog, but I just start the vlog. I'm not reach nowhere still, but I'm up on the road. I got Portland now. I am going to Nature Hotel. Yeah. So y'all will see, and I feel like I forgot some things, but I just have to make it still. So guys, before I get anywhere into this video, don't forget to like this video, of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that bell. Guys, my start of pregnancy look, as in my face start get fat. You know, like you see somebody and then just look pregnant, you can look in at them face and see them pregnant, as some start look, and I don't like that for me. But we're gonna do the vlog and we're gonna have a good time, hopefully, because I am super sleepy. So let's go, my babies. And sorry for not posting, guys. Me I got telling about that when I reach why I can't really stay consistent. I am trying. So yeah, bye. Say hi to the vlog.
How are you?
Say hi, Skylar. You see Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Oh, you not see her? Hold on. So what is wrong with my phone now?
Love you. I love you. Hi, baby. You miss Grandma?
She a play with buckle. She not paying no mind. Guys, it's actually my first time coming here. So let's see what it's like. Yeah. This way, Skylar. Let's go. We're going down that way.
Alright, so you must be familiar with Portland, you know it's very wet.
Yeah.
So we have hard surfaces throughout, but a pervious surface, so the water. Usually we have trees in the water. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
Ah. Oh my God. This is beauty. Beautiful. Guys, we have one tree house up here, so look. You know I'm gonna go up there? Say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Skylar. Guys, where me I go? Where me I go? No, sir. I'm afraid of heights, you know. Jesus, I can't go there. I can't go. I can't go, Shane. Yeah, tell me go on and I say I cannot go. Oh, me I go come down. Jesus Christ, no. What is me really gonna do? Shane, no, me have to turn back. My heart a race. Me have to come down. No. Skylar not like heights either. And me alone afraid of it. Guys, me not go up there. I am not doing it. Guys, me reach part way to go up at the tree house. I'm just change my mind because y'all know I'm afraid of heights. I'm gonna come up here, come drop and kill myself and kill my picnic. We're not doing that.
Look to me.
Hey. Whew. I'm tired now. So I'm gonna go to my room now. I go find out my room upstairs. And then I'll pick you guys back up somewhere along the way.
Welcome to your cabin, mommy.
So guys, this is inside the cabin. Let me switch on the other light, yeah. And we have some roses over here. Oh my god, this is nice. So yeah, we get roses. Let me see. Oh my god, I'm gonna put them in the middle of the bed. Yes, honey. And then right here we have some dogs on the wall. We have a little table here with Skylar tea. And we have Skylar vlogging and doing our own little thing right here. We have a mirror right here. This is me. I'm so fat and black, but that's okay. Then we have the bathroom. And this is what it's looking like. Hope y'all are seeing. Yeah. Real nice, real cute. Who can talk to Skylar for me? Okay, Skylar, put it down. Listen to me. The cabins are so near and I feel like anybody with them next to it, I got ear my mouth and not get no rest. Because Skylar is always up to something. But guys, we reached. I am tired. Dinner is at 7. I don't think I'm gonna make it for you, but I'm gonna try my very best. Something stay still now. Skylar, your pooper. Cho. Cho, guys, I'm try to fix the tripod on the bed. Alright, yeah, so dinner is at 7 and I want to make it to dinner because I'm always late. I'm tired, like I want to sleep so bad. But yeah, I'm reached. I am pleased. Guys, it's cabin, it's nature. It's not no big like, you know, you must get the idea of a cabin. It's really nice, it's really clean. I like the walls. It's modern. You know what I say? Yeah. So I like it. I really do. You know say one place me go to Portland when me eat. I can't tell the world say don't go there. It's Frenchman's Cove. Then cottage there. I eat them. What you saying? Okay. Oh. Yes. Alright. So as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I ate Frenchman's Cove 8, 9 and 10 it. So I so far more than give here a 8 out of 10. Yeah. It's really quiet, it's really nice, it's really nature-like. Guys, you know that I love it. Family love it, you know that I love it. Can't you know me hard to please? But I am pleased, and I just want to say thank you to Debbie and Kerisha for recommending me to come here to vlog. Really nice. And I don't know the guy name that was showing us around. He's really nice. So customer service is really nice also. So y'all won't lose. Bye. I'ma see if I can do my makeup and get ready. It's about 6 o'clock. So let me see if we can make it for dinner. Shane, we're going to dinner?
Going to dinner, Skylar? Yes. We are going to dinner.
Alright, my belly full though, but let's see what dinner has to offer. But guys, anyways, I just finished doing my makeup. I wanted to show y'all while doing it, but I was on TikTok live. I mean, I tell you, say, piece of my titty go drop out of my clothes. And TikTok banned me. Like, I willingly go on live showing breast or something like that. I would never do that. But, yeah, dinner is at 7. It's now 7:30. Skylar already ready. So it's just me and Shane to get ready now. My face done. So I get to see me I do my makeup, but I'll do my makeup in one video soon. I don't know when because I'm lazy. But yes, Skylar received Valentine's gift from her grandmother. I'm soon show you. Skylar live better life than me. But hey guys, I'll pick you guys back up when I'm ready. Bye. So hey guys, I'm basically ready. I just put this as of a curl, this like that. But it's now 8 o'clock. I doubt if we are gonna get no dinner. And I don't know. I brought guys, me did take up some red herring, and now when me reach, me can't find them. So it look like me left them, and me only have the red purse. And the dress is silver, like silver stuff. So I don't know how that I go. Me still wear my earring. Skylar, stop that! What do we put in the bathtub? Shane, lock off that. Kinda wanna watch nothing. Yeah, so I just hope we get dinner. I hope we get good picture. And I'll pick you guys back up, alright? I am really upset and disappointed in myself because me did bring my dress to take picture, and when me reach my heels, now have no string. So the heels did feel lace up, like strap up. and when me reach, only one of the eels have string, the other one don't have no string. So me end up don't get no picture and me waste my time do my face, because if me never did a look picture, I would do my face. But me there wait for dinner. I feel to go ask if we can get the dinner in the room. Cause me just can't bother.
Kilo fait un moteur chocolat fine fine au baguette watch your love for like it why not more moteur your body chocolate bush ready yeah imade double zile.
So guys, as y'all can see, I'm back in the room. We got an appetizer. Skylar, stop it!
Is that yes?
Skylar, go for the plate. So guys, as I was saying, Jesus, we got appetizer first, and that plate is the second plate. It's free of cost. So now life not nice. A Jamaica colors, yeah, life nice bad. So I ordered oxtail for me and jerk chicken and rice and peas for Shane and some orange juice. So we're still waiting on that, but by the time we done eat, them have something me off to we belly full. But I'll keep you guys posted. I'm back in the room because my blood count is low, so when I'm outside, I'm cold. I'm not having a jacket. Skylar is being a brat, very rude. So we have to come back in the room. Little girl rude, but you know, we have to come back in the room now. So yeah, we're getting served in our room and just chilling. I should have do one more night. So you can't be able to give me one more night up here. But yeah, that's. Oh, I forget to tell you, say. To say me have to take off just so I didn't know. Because when I reach with my heels, my heels will strap up. You know them nice strap up heels? Only one string in one of the heels. One of the other heels, not a V, no string. So me not get no picture. Me almost ball. Almost. But me I say maybe some other time my ear will do again. And we can get, cause the thing is I don't really do ear and makeup like that anymore. So when I do, me try to get picture. Me not get no picture, me almost faint and drop down. But y'all getting a vlog and that's a good thing. Alright, bye. So guys, our food is here. 2 plates of oxtail. Shane wanted jerk chicken, but I guess they mixed up the order. But that's fine. So we gonna eat. Ooh. Fried rice and pork. Fried rice and pork. That we're gonna eat right now. So hey guys, it's the next morning. Don't mind how my makeup is looking. It's a mess and I know, but I don't have time to fix it and we're not about that right now. So we're going by the pool. It's now 10:41 and checkout is at 12. So we don't have a long time at the pool. And yeah, we had breakfast. We had some ackee and saltfish and coffee tea. Skylar, leave it. Guys, Skylar, give me all what me I look for on this trip. Skylar is so rude. But we're going outside now and You know, so you have to come with me. Guys, the customer service, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, believe me. Skylar, say good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Say morning.
Okay.
Step.
Jump, yeah, jump.
Go. Yay. She ain't not put no shoes for me, baby. Go, Sky. Go, Sky. Yay. Go on. Oh, my makeup look better out the door, man. No, sir. You don't look so bad. You don't talk truth. The girl face so sleep off. You cold? It cold? It cold?
That's it. Woo.
It's cold, but you can feel it after a time. It's not so cold. But guys, I'm gonna take some pics. May I take some picture and come back?
Take it off.
Say hi, mommy. Skylar.
Take up your glass.
Our glass dropping in the water. Skylar, say hi, mommy. Come and take it up for you.
Skylar. Dip him. Dip him. Dip him. Yes!
Alright.
Skylar! Hello! Hello! You like your water?
Look, say hello. Say hi. Blow them a kiss. Mwah.
Dip him again. Yeah!
Baby girl. So guys, my stay has come to an end, and I must say, like, me really have a good time. It was so relaxing, and I do recommend. Yeah. Oh guys, Skylar grandma bought these for her. Lord of God. Look, let me show you. It's a bangle, a chain, and some rings. Let me show you. Earring too. Earring. May I pick it up? Blood seed. Alright, so see it here. Rings, earring, chain, and bangle. Yeah, so it's her Valentine's Day gift. Wanna say that's a little better than me? Yeah. But yeah, guys. I'm leaving, sadly. I might come back though, but I don't think next time when I come back I will be vlogging, you know, like you maybe get snippets but not a whole vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment. Until next time, I don't want to see your Skylar look for me. Until next time, bye.